Here we have a Ford Ranger Super Cab fitted with a full canopy and 600mm wide front ledge. Now, HiDrive do front ledges for full canopies in a 300, a 450 and a 600 most commonly, but we are open to discuss other width options. Now, the big advantage of a front ledge is giving you the ability to mount accessory items that are essential to keep outside for ventilation purposes, such as fuel containers, such as compressors, as you can see here on this ute, generators, fuel storage, these sorts of things, gas bottles, the sorts of things you need to keep out of your service body for ventilation reasons. Also, it's a handy space for things that you'll use throughout the day, like such as a vise. Of course, a hose reel is on the other side of this build here for the compressor. Those sorts of things are super handy. Fire extinguishers, we've got dual fire extinguisher mounts here for the client. They were keen to ensure that when this ute is parked on a job site right throughout the day, they could have their service body closed and all their tools and stock completely secured while still having a fire extinguisher available for emergency purposes for the whole work site to use in an emergency situation. So the best of both worlds. Speaking of the best of both worlds, a front ledge versus a rear ledge, the big advantage is you get to have a rear door, giving you the full accessibility to all your tools and stock in the back of your ute throughout a work day. So there we have it. That's a Ford Ranger Super Cab with a full canopy and a 600mm front ledge.